Why quit smoking now? No matter how old you are or how long you've smoked, quitting can help you live longer and be healthier. People who stop smoking before age 50 cut their risk of dying in the next 15 years in half, compared with those who keep smoking. Ex smokers enjoy a higher quality of life. They have fewer illnesses like colds and the flu, lower rates of bronchitis and pneumonia, and feel healthier than people who still smoke. For decades, the Surgeon General has reported the health risks linked to smoking. In 1990, the Surgeon General concluded quitting smoking has major and immediate health benefits for men and women of all ages. These benefits apply to people who already have smoking related diseases and those who don't. Ex smokers live longer than people who keep smoking. Quitting smoking lowers the risk of lung cancer, other cancers, heart attack, stroke, and chronic lung disease. Women who stop smoking before pregnancy or during the first 3 to 4 months of pregnancy reduce their risk of having a low birth weight baby to that of women who never smoked. The health benefits of quitting smoking are far greater than any risks from the small weight gain, usually less than 10 pounds, or any emotional or psychological problems that may follow quitting. If you really want to quit smoking, you need to try out the Truth of Addiction program. It is backed by solid science as a way to help you quit. Just click the link below.